So it already has that fire brick, comes with it. Has this nice little lip here. This blower goes right underneath it and catches right there. These are to level it. You hook your pipe to that. I believe this is 6-inch. And then you have your flue knob here. Another leveling. Alright guys, I got this off Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. I went with Ashley Earth. This is a fireplace insert. Last year I had purchased one from Menards and put it up in my parents' place. And this year I'm going to put one in my fireplace. I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing and let you guys check out what it came with. I'll go ahead and let you guys see the box. It says it's for 1,200 square foot. Same thing over there. The side of the box was a little open, but that's okay because it comes in a wood thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on a tripod and start ripping this thing apart. Alright, got the sides all broken away. I'm going to go ahead and take this stuff out. Looks like the first thing is right here. Go ahead and open that up. Like this is all that stuff for the cover that goes around. I'm going to leave it all in the box and take it apart out of the box inside. Only thing I could find that was different than the one that I bought for my parents is the door has a rounded edge up here on the top, and my parents didn't. You guys can check out that video as well. I did a whole installation of that as well. Little handle that goes here. Instructions. I'll let you guys see the instructions in just a little bit too. Here's the blower. The dust is from the fire brick that's inside there. The blower goes right there on front. Comes with little screws to mount it. Just plugs in. So those that are wondering, will this work without electric? It will work. It's just you won't have that blower to blow out that heat. And that's where most of that heat's going to be coming from, is blowing it out. Box out. And that's pretty much it, guys. Guys, this thing's pretty heavy. So I'm showing you guys how we're moving it through the house. We just got a dolly. Tilted it onto its back, onto the dolly, and moved it through the house. The last one that we installed, we had to take it out a flight of stairs, and this thing is pretty heavy. Alright guys, I got it together. and got it going. This is the first initial burn, so I have to do a low burn and then let it go completely out, and you're supposed to do this 3 times. I'm on the first one. I thought I'd go ahead and let you guys see it. It looks like it's working great. I got that blower going. I can already feel that heat pumping out of there. It's pretty nice. And one of the things that I should also talk about, because when you first get this, it's kind of hard to get it going, and since we have one upstairs, I can go ahead and talk about how we've been doing to get it started. Before you get those coals going inside there, it's kind of hard to get it lit sometimes, so you have to leave this door open. That's how we found out to do it. Once you shut that door, even though this lever is down on high, it's opened up. Even shutting that door will put that smoke out, or put the fire out and make it all smoky in there. We just leave it cracked. I'm gonna get closer and let you guys see. Cracked just like that until we get that good fire going and get that coal started. Not too much smoke comes out of here if you leave it cracked like that, and it works fine. But once you shut this door, it gets smoky and it puts out the flame. So I thought I'd go ahead and talk about that a little bit, because I'm sure a lot of you guys are going to run into that problem. And that's one of the things that we always been having a problem, is like we can't get it stay going if we shut that door. And for some reason, when you first start it, fires always smoke a little bit, so you have that instinct to shut that door so that smoke doesn't come out. But for the most part, if you leave it cracked like that, a little bit of smoke might come out, but most of it just kind of wraps back up and goes up right in front of this little area. So not too much comes out. But yeah, it's working great. This is going to be huge energy bill saver.